Advice on becoming a successful affiliate marketer. Business affiliate marketing is almost like getting paid to advertise your business. You get into a partnership with another business and place an ad at their website. They do the same with you. You both end up with more customers and also a commission for sending customers. This video can help you find out how affiliate marketing can work for you. If one affiliate program doesn't work for you, try another one. The various programs are not all the same. They offer different products, services, and payment. Some allow more freedom and flexibility, such as color and design, to help match your site better. Finally, you can even see if your favorite vendor or store has its own affiliate program. Mix and match until you find a program that fits your needs. While using affiliate marketing, remember that you want internet users to trust in you. If you use an ad for a product or company that you don't have faith in, your customers will not have faith in it, or you, either. Too many ads, or ads that are not relevant to your content, will seem suspicious, and visitors will end up not trusting what you have to say. Once you get your site up and running and you are on your way making money, you should consider purchasing more sites and expanding your affiliate advertising possibilities. If you have more outlets for viewing, you will inevitably have more visitors click on your links, giving you more money in the long run. As it is abundantly clear in the above video, business affiliate marketing is a win-win situation for both businesses. They both see an increase in traffic as well as getting paid a commission for the people who go from one website to another. It is a way where two businesses work together and profit jointly. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.